How to fix Monopoly Go can't send stickers. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. I'll be showing you how you can fix Monopoly Go send. So to fix this problem, maybe you logged in into your Monopoly account and they are trying to send an output. You cannot do that. That means that the issue is with your application, that is with your mobile device or with settings on your phone. So how do you get about this? The first thing to do is to first of all check if there is an update on the application that you are not aware of. And then how do you check if there is an update on the application? Just leave the application by minimizing it this way and then head over to your Play Store. And then in your Play Store, just go ahead and type out the name. Oh no. Okay. Once you type it out, you would see the app here. And then if there is an update, you will see an update next to the option play on my screen. See, you will see the update app. Just check it and then click on update. And then once you've done this, and you realize that you still can't send stickers, next thing for you to do is to move to your settings. All right, just move to your settings, and then once you're on your settings or the settings page under app management, click on app list and then search out Monopoly Go as well. All right. Once you search out Monopoly Go, and then you can find the app, click on it. Once you click on it, you'll see the option notifications, permissions, storage, and cache. All right. That's our focus in this tutorial. Just click on storage and cache. Then once you click on it, you'll be brought to this storage and cache page. Now on this page, you can just click on clear cache and clear storage. Once you do that, the app would reset automatically. And once that is done, go back to the app and get your stickers. By now, you should be able to send stickers on Monopoly. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching and